Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 21, perimeter and area. Chapter number 18 and 19 will not come in exam, that is reduced syllabus, okay? And chapter number 20, that is construction, that will come in exam. But I will teach you that construction chapter after teaching this perimeter and area, okay? So let's begin today perimeter and area. In this exercise, we will discuss first exercise, the perimeter and area of a rectangle and a square. What is perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter means it is the outer boundary of any surface, any closed plane figure. Okay, so it is the length of the boundary. This and this of a closed plane figure. That is called perimeter. And what is area? So area, you know, this surface, inside this boundary, the surface, or you can say region enclosed inside a closed boundary, it is called area. So what is the formula for area of rectangle and what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Okay, we will discuss now. And in this also, for a square also, the perimeter is outer boundary of any closed figure. Okay, the outer boundary is called perimeter. Length of the outer boundary of any closed figure, it's called perimeter. And area, the surface or region enclosed inside this closed boundary. So we have the formula for rectangle. The area of rectangle will be equal to length into breadth. L for length, B for breadth. Okay, L into B. And perimeter of rectangle twice of L plus B. Because you know opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So twice of L plus B is the formula of perimeter of rectangle, and length into breadth will give you area of rectangle. Okay, and what about a square? So you know area of a square is side into side. And perimeter of a square will be, because it's all the sides are equal, so 4 into any one of the side. 4 into side, that is equal to perimeter of a square. Got it? Now we will discuss the exercise 12.1. Find the perimeter and area of the following. Length and breadth is given here also, here also. So length and breadth is given means definitely it is a rectangle. Okay, so we have to find its perimeter. What is perimeter of rectangle? Now formula perimeter of rectangle, we know what is the formula, that is twice of L plus B. So twice of 12 centimeter is length plus 8 centimeter is breadth. So we will add 12 plus 8 will be equal to what? 20. And 20 into 2, 40 centimeter will be the perimeter of rectangle. And we have to find its area also. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is length? Length is 12 centimeter. What is breadth? Breadth is 8 centimeter. Now multiply this. 96 square centimeter. Its unit will be square centimeter. But perimeter unit will be only centimeter, because here 2 times centimeter into centimeter. So it's square centimeter. Okay, we are multiplying it. But here we are adding. So 1 time only. So always remember area unit will always go in square. Meter is square or centimeter is square, decimeter is square, whatever. Okay, the unit will be, but you have to put a square on it. But to find the perimeter, the unit will be simply like this: centimeter or meter, decimeter, millimeter, anything. Okay, now it's A number I have solved. B number I hope you can do. Length and breadth is given. Now question number 2. Find the area of a square whose side is given. Okay, so look at here, side is given. So can you find the area of a square? Area of a square is equal to side into side. That is 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. 8 8 ja 64 square centimeter, because it is area. Okay, now it's B number. Here diagonal is given. Diagonal of a square is given, but side is not given. How you will find the area? To find out the area, we need its side, but side is not given. In this case, we need to find out the side of the square with the help of this diagonal. How? Look at here. Here, this is a square and this is its diagonal. Its side is not given, so all the sides of a square is equal, we know. So we will let the side of the square be, let the side be x. Okay? Centimeter. So if side is x, so this side will also be x, this side will also be x, diagonal is given. We know in a square, each angle of corner angle is 90 degree. So can we apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle? Okay. So this plus square of this plus square of this is equal to square of this. So 5.2, it's acting like a hypotenuse here. So 5.2 square is equal to x square plus x square, that is equal to 2x square. And 5.2 multiplied, because it is his square here, 5.2 into 5.2 will be equal to what? 2704. This decimal will come here. Okay. And this 2 we can write in divide. So we need to find out the value of this x square. First x. First cancel out this. 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 3 just 6. And here it will go 1, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4. Okay. Suppose we will remove this decimal. Then 20 will come. Here will be 100. Okay. So 1352 by 100. And this square will go as a square. This square will go as a square root for this. 1352 by 100. Can we find out its root? 100's root is 10. And 1352 root will be 5.2. 52. Here 1352 square root, exact square means square root we cannot get. Okay, 100 we can get 10, but it's so no need to take out the square root of this. Okay, only write down x square value will be equal to 1352 divided by 100. 135. It is space is not there, so look at here properly. Only figure you make, this figure is okay. This is diagonal, this is side. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. X square plus x square is equal to 5.2 whole square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now 2x square is equal to 5.2 into 5.2. So x square will be equal to 5.2 into 5.2. If you will do, we will get 27.04. Okay, and x square value will be equal to 27.04 divided by 2, because this 2 will come here in divide. Now you cancel out this. Here after cancelling out it, this 2 and 2, 2 3 just 6 point 13.25 is 10, 2, 13.52. Okay, x square value we have got. X square means, understand it properly, x is the side and it's a square. We know area of a square is what? Side into side. So x into x, that is x square. This is only area also. Yes or no? But you have to write it like this. Don't leave it like this. Write down area of a square is equal to side into side. That is x into x, because x was the side. X into x, that is equal to x square, and x square value is 13.52. So we will write here 13.52 centimeter square is the answer. Got it? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is saying find the expenditure of putting a barbed wire around a 4 hectare square field. 4 hectare square field means area of the square field is 4 hectare. If its cost rupees 45 per meter. Okay. Barbed wire means the wire which is used to fence the field. Suppose this is a square field and here it is used to fence. Fence means around this fencing. Okay, we have to put the wire around this like this. Okay, just to close this field. Now it is given that it is area of the field is 4 hectare, but cost of putting the wire, suppose we are fencing this field and cost of per meter is rupees 45. Now what is the total cost of fencing this full complete field? Okay, so first of all we need to find its perimeter. Perimeter will be equal to the wire length, and wire length per meter 45 rupees, then whatever the length of the wire will come, that will be multiply with rupees 45. But first of all we need to find its perimeter. But to find out the perimeter we need its side, but side is not given, only the area is given. Okay, so with the help of this area we can find out its side. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So 4 hectare will be equal to 40,000 square meter. First we will change this hectare into square meter. Now we know area of a square is equal to side into side, and area is given. Can we find the side? Side into side means side is square, and this square will go this side, it will become root. Root over 40,000's value will be 200, because you see I have taught you how to find out the square root. In this manner you will just take the LCM and take out in pair all the number. There is pair for all, so take 1 from each and multiply, we will get 200. So this is the side of the square field. Now if side we know, we can find out its perimeter. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, 4 into 200, that is 800 meter is the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square means here the length of the wire needed to fence this field. Length of wire is 800 meter. Okay, equal to this perimeter. Now we know rupees 45 per meter. Therefore cost of fencing 800 meter, fencing the field, that is 800 meter. 45 into 800. Because for 1 meter 45 rupees, so for 800 meter 800 into 45 we will get 36,000 rupees. Got it? So question number 4, 5, 6 you have to try by yourself. I will deal these questions in my next video. Okay, till then, but you have to try it. Okay.